7 ways women see your weakness and how to fix them. Women are naturally perceptive. They can pick up on subtle behaviors that reveal a man's true character, often without him even realizing it. If you've ever felt like women lose interest in you quickly or fail to respect you the way you'd like, it might be because you're unknowingly displaying signs of weakness. Weakness isn't about physical strength, it's about emotional stability, confidence, and self-respect. Women admire men who are grounded, assertive, and capable of handling life's challenges. If you consistently exhibit weak behaviors, women will start to see you as unreliable or unattractive. Here are 7 ways women perceive your weakness and what you can do to fix them. 1. You constantly seek her approval. Imagine this: every time you make a decision, you find yourself looking at her, waiting for her reaction. Is this okay? Do you think I should wear this? Should I order the steak or pasta? Seeking validation once in a while is normal, but if you do it constantly, it signals insecurity. Women want a man who is sure of himself, someone who can stand by his choices confidently. White heavy checkmark: how to fix it. Start making decisions without second-guessing yourself. Trust your instincts, and don't rely on her for validation. Women respect men who have their own opinions and stand by them. 2. You let her walk all over you. Let's say you've planned a special evening, but she shows up late without an apology. Instead of addressing it, you shrug it off, pretending it doesn't bother you. While patience and understanding are important, being a pushover is a sign of weakness. Women will respect you more if you establish boundaries and stand up for yourself. White heavy checkmark: how to fix it. Set clear expectations in your relationships. If she disrespects your time, call it out politely but firmly. Women admire men who demand respect without being aggressive. 3. You overshare your insecurities. Being open about your struggles is important, but there's a difference between vulnerability and overloading her with your self-doubt. Imagine you're on a second date, and instead of keeping the conversation light, you're already talking about your fear of public speaking, your bad experiences with exes, or how you feel like you're failing in life. While honesty is great, too much too soon can make you seem emotionally unstable. White heavy checkmark: how to fix it. Work on your self-confidence privately. Share your struggles when appropriate, but don't make her feel like your therapist. Women are attracted to men who acknowledge their weaknesses but actively work to overcome them. 4. You try too hard to impress her. Have you ever caught yourself exaggerating stories to make yourself look better? Maybe you talk about how your boss depends on you for everything or how you almost won an award. Trying too hard to impress a woman actually has the opposite effect. It makes you look insecure. White heavy checkmark: how to fix it. Be genuine. Instead of bragging, let your actions speak for themselves. Women are drawn to authenticity, not exaggerated achievements. If you're confident in yourself, you won't feel the need to prove anything. 5. You're overly emotional in disagreements. Picture this: you and your girlfriend have a minor disagreement about where to eat. Instead of calmly discussing it, you get irritated and raise your voice, or you go silent and sulk. Losing your temper or becoming defensive over small issues signals emotional weakness. Women respect men who can handle challenges with maturity and composure. White heavy checkmark. How to fix it. Learn to regulate your emotions. When a disagreement happens, take a deep breath, listen, and respond calmly. Showing emotional control will make her see you as a strong, dependable partner. 6. You never take the lead. Women appreciate men who take initiative. If every time you make plans, your response is whatever you want to do, it can become frustrating for her. Indecisiveness signals a lack of confidence. Women want a man who can take charge sometimes, rather than always deferring to them. White heavy checkmark. How to fix it. Start making decisions. Instead of asking, "Where do you want to go?" say, "Let's try that new Italian place tonight." Taking charge in small ways shows leadership and confidence. 7. You let fear hold you back. Imagine you've been eyeing a promotion at work, but you never go for it because you're afraid of rejection. Or maybe you've wanted to tell a woman how you feel, but fear keeps you from doing it. Women can sense when fear controls your actions. If they see that you lack the courage to take risks, they might start questioning whether you're someone they can rely on in difficult situations. White heavy checkmark. How to fix it. Start taking small risks in your daily life. Apply for that job, speak up in meetings, and express your feelings honestly. The more you push past fear, the more confidence you'll build. Women admire men who are ambitious and willing to go after what they want. Final thoughts. Weakness isn't about failing or making mistakes, it's about how you handle challenges. Women respect men who are emotionally strong, confident, and assertive. If you recognize any of these behaviors in yourself, don't worry. The key to improvement is self-awareness and action. Start making small changes, and you'll notice not only how women treat you differently but also how much better you feel about yourself. Women are drawn to men who exude quiet strength, self-respect, and emotional stability. Work on yourself, and the right women will naturally gravitate toward you. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with others. Your support helps us keep creating valuable content. Thank you.